All right, so I'm gonna go off your movement this time. I'm ready. When you're ready, I'll go. Hello and welcome, Hennessey fans, to another amazing video. My name is Alex. We are on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. Today we have a very special video. We have our HPE1000 Durango that is done through R&D. We're doing our final testing before we deliver to the customer. So we figured while we're testing, why not compare it next to a Lamborghini Aventador V12 naturally aspirated supercar. We've got a 3-row SUV that has 1,000 horsepower, and we have a V12 2-door supercar. It just has no business being in the same conversation, but that's how we like to do it. And today we have Chris from Freedom Supercars, who we actually call Supercar Chris. He was kind enough to bring out the Aventador today. Chris, tell us about Freedom.
Yeah, so we provide supercar memberships, so our members can drive stuff like this Aventador S, so Ferraris, Lamborghinis, super easy. We take care of all the insurance, maintenance. We're actually opening up an Austin location this summer.
Well, thanks so much, Chris, for bringing out the Aventador. We're gonna have all the links in the description below for Freedom Supercars, so if you guys want to check it out, make sure to do that. And let's go ahead and get this comparison done. I think we're gonna be really amazed by the results. First time driving the 1,000 horsepower Durango since it's been through the R&D process, and I am flabbergasted. This is a 3-row SUV that destroys supercars. Unbelievable. This customer is a very special customer of ours, and I know that he is going to be absolutely thrilled with this thing. It's exciting, it's practical, it's useful, it has all sorts of room in the back. I'm so impressed.
Man, one thing you gotta love about the Lamborghini is it sounds fun. Once we're at speed, this thing does well, but it is a dog off the line.
All right, so I'm gonna go off your movement this time. I'm ready. When you're ready, I'll go. We gave Chris the jump, but it doesn't even matter. We're running away. That is crazy. So it is 88 degrees outside, and this thing is running amazing. Our calibration team spends a lot of time to make sure that our owners and customers can drive their cars just like stock, but just with more power. It's not going to change any of the amazing features or engineering that the OEMs deliver on. We just want to add more power, more fun, more excitement, and just turn up the notch. That's exactly what we do. And the amazing thing is we give you a warranty with every package that we deliver so that you can have peace of mind in your vehicle.
That Durango is one heck of a car. It's going up against a car that's 5 times the value. I mean, it's unheard of what they can do with these cars.
This Durango is absolutely nuts. The customer is going to love it. It is running beautifully. It has passed all of our final QC testing, so it is ready to go, and I know you're gonna love it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to Supercar Chris for bringing the Aventador. We'll see you guys next time.